Harer Nama, Harer Namaiva Kevalam, Kalau Nasteva, Nasteva, Nasteva Gatirannatha. Besides chanting this holy name of the Lord, there is no other way, there is no other way, there is no other way. Kalau Nasteva, Nasteva, Nasteva Gatirannatha. There is no other way in this age of Kali. Iti Shodashaka Nam. The 16 names of the Lord. Iti Shodashaka Nam Kali Kalmashanashanam can deliver all the impurities, kalmash, of the age of Kali. So Kali, in this age of Kali, is a very dangerous age. And the only means for this age of Kali is just chanting the holy name of the Lord. And that's why in ISKCON, our main business is to chant and promote chanting.
So Maharajji, the vibration created by these words is something which connects us to the
Yes. As I said,
world and
the sound vibration came from that world.
okay.
And that sound vibration, if we get tuned into the sound vibration, the sound vibration takes us to that world.
So the vibrations are something special. That's why these words were chosen.
Yes, sound means vibration.
Okay.
Sound has to be vibrated, otherwise it's silence.
Okay.
So that's why you say sound vibration. Meaning that this sound is going to take us to that world, to the spiritual world.
So as I understand, the vibration of these words easily connect us to the spiritual world.
Yes,
that's why
right.
these words are chosen.
Okay, good point. Very good point. You see, there are 4 yugas.
Okay.
Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapar Yuga and Kali Yuga. And in the 4 yugas, there are 4 yuga dharmas.
Okay.
The dharma for the specific yugas. The Satya Yuga's yuga dharma is dhyan, meditation.
Okay.
Treta Yuga's yuga dharma is yajna. Dwapar Yuga's yuga dharma is worshipping the Lord in the temple. And Kali Yuga's yuga dharma is Sankirtan, chanting the holy name of the Lord. Kriteja dhyate Vishnu.
Okay.
The benefit that one derives in the age in Satya Yuga by dhyate, by meditating upon Vishnu, the Lord. Tretayam jajate makho. Treta Yuga, the process is jajate makho, performing yajna for the sake of Vishnu.
Okay.
Yajna pati Yajneshwar. Dwapare paricharjayam. The process in the Dwapar Yuga is paricharja, serving the Lord in the temple, worshipping the Lord in the temple. Kalo tad hari kirtana. In the age of Kali, the process is chanting the name of Hari. That is the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So these are the 4 yugas, 4 yuga dharma. Specific yugas have specific yuga dharma. Kali Yuga's yuga dharma is Sankirtan.
So in our age, Sankirtan is the
Sankirtan is the way. Sankirtan.
best. So Maharajji, Sankirtan or any one form of the 3?
You see, that's another unique aspect of Sankirtan. It includes all 4. Rather, all 3. Sankirtan or chanting the name of the Lord includes meditation.
Okay.
Right? We are meditating. This is the yajna of this age. Yajnai Sankirtana prayai jajanti hi sumedhasa. So the yajna is performed there just by chanting. Then by chanting, the Lord is being worshipped. And that's how this process of Sankirtan or congregational chanting of the name of the Lord includes everything, all other 3 processes. Meditation is done, sacrifice is done, and worship of the Lord is done.
Okay. So Maharajji, now the 3 forms, as you said, one was we chant by ourselves, one is the singing, the Kirtan form, the third is Sankirtan. So are you advising that Sankirtan or self-meditation, self-chanting is also the way?
Yeah, but you see, self-meditation is benefiting us individually. The person who is meditating, only he gets the benefit.
Okay.
Kirtan is a little greater. Those who are participating, they get the benefit. But Sankirtan, wherever sound spreads, to that extent, everything gets benefit. Everyone gets benefit. Whoever hears, whoever participates, whoever is meditating upon, when you are chanting, you are all, of course, thinking about the Lord. It's a meditation. So that's why Sankirtan has a very special benefit. Those who hear, they are getting the benefit. Not only those who are chanting getting the benefit, those who are hearing, and even those living entities, those who are in a lower species of life, animals, get the benefit just by chanting. The whole atmosphere, which has been polluted due to the contaminating effect of the age of Kali, that gets purified. So that is the amazing effect of Sankirtan. And that's why you'll find we are going out congregationally chanting, because we know this chanting is purifying that.